backward, left sideward flight, right sideward flight, left rolling, The whole new Syma X20 is going to bring you a whole new flight experience. It's ready to fly when you get it. In the following process, you're free to pause the video at any time and learn the X20 accessories assembly with us. Blade installation. There are two kinds of blades, positive and negative. When blade is installed, please pay attention to the corresponding marks on blade. Open the remote controller's battery compartment and put the 4 self-purchased batteries into the battery compartment and finish battery installation. Finally, turn on the controller and aircraft. After matching is done, unlock the aircraft and begin to fly. One key takeoff, 1 key landing. Fly in a constant altitude. When aircraft's indicator light flashes, it means the aircraft battery is low. At this time, the battery must be charged or replaced. When the aircraft's battery power is low, use the charging cable for charging. Aircraft's body light is bright when charging, is off when it's fully charged. Ascend. Descent. Forward. Backward. Left sideward flight. Right sideward flight. Left rolling. Right rolling. Headless mode. Long press the right joystick into headless mode, and then long press the right joystick to exit headless mode. High and low speed switch. Short press the right joystick to switch the flight speed of the aircraft. Trimmer key. When the aircraft is off, press the left joystick until it enters into the trimming mode, and then push the corresponding joystick to fine-tune. "3D rolling mode." Press the rolling button on the top right corner and then push it. Syma X20 makes fly so easy.